creepy.
Oh
my god, I'm scared.
Okay. Oh, sorry. He feels grumpy when he's hungry.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Watch the card. Float through midair. See the link together. Watch. Oh, magic! I am your host, Devin Era. Today we are showing you Halloween magic pranks part 3, and I've got the king prankster with me today, Mr. Dennis Roady.
Hey everybody, hit that thumbs up button and let's go!
Good joke, happy Halloween!
You hear me? We gotta go. You got some people complaining about it.
They're making me laugh too much. I can't focus.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
5:30. Okay.
I'm gonna get some.
You're silly. 896.
Okay. Oh, sorry. He feels grumpy when he's hungry. We'll just do 2 more soft taco supremes. Is that what you wanted? No, regular. Sorry, regular. And a crunch wrap too.
Okay guys, here's the explanation for the alien from the chest. Super fun. We had a great time shooting this one. Basically, it's a costume. It's a Halloween costume, and it's pretty easy to set up. So Dennis, you want to show us how it's done?
I'm not a scary costume monster. I'm just a deli.
Okay, so the arm pops out, and you have
So this is actually your arm right here.
your puppet inside.
Oh, wow.
Your hand right here comes in this little slit under the shirt.
So there's a slit in your shirt.
Right, and you have
What is here, though? Oh,
my
it's
hoodie.
stuffed with something.
My hoodie sleeve is stuffed inside this to kind of give it some weight. You could probably add some socks or another like sweater or something, but kind of like give the weight of an arm. And then this pops through.
So that looks like your hand's
See?
just in your pocket or something.
Yeah.
And then you've got this hidden.
And then you just try to hold this against your belly as tightly as possible, you know?
That's
and
such
then
an awesome Halloween
these are
costume.
Velcro pieces, so it just pops right off. So you can just go.
So you can wear this to a Halloween party, wear it as your Halloween costume for trick or treat. When somebody comes to the door, give you some candy.
You even told me, I guess. Oh my gosh.
Super funny Halloween prank here. This is the screaming doormat. It's not actually a doormat, it's a pad, an electronic pad that goes underneath your doormat. So you take this little pad right here, unfold it, place it underneath your doormat, and it's actually pressure sensitive. So when you press on it, it automatically triggers a sound, a scream sound, super creepy. This little box right here is our sound box. You can hear the sound it makes if you press this button. So you get the idea. It's pretty creepy sound. You hide this in the bathroom or next to your front door when trick-or-treaters come on Halloween. They step on your doormat. As soon as they step on it, it makes a sound super freaky. Gives them a good scare and a good laugh to anyone watching. Okay, V, I have a cool like Halloween trick to show you.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. No. Over this.
Check this out. It's right down here in my hands. Just look.
Ooh, that's so creepy. What is that?
So the explanation of this one is really simple. This is a quick DIY that you can pull off. It's a good prank for Halloween. So you just take a little plastic skull. I think this is like a little mouse skull. It's just a plastic mold of one. It's not real, but you're gonna conceal it in your hands in a certain way to make it pop out and scare people. So you're gonna hold it just like this in your palm, kind of at the end of the fingers, just like this, because this finger right here is where you're gonna use to kind of move it forward out from underneath the other hand. So you have it like this. The other hand goes on top, just like that, to kind of conceal it. And you say, watch this, I'm gonna show you something kind of creepy. And then you just slowly kind of push it out like that with this finger. So here's a cutaway view of what's going on underneath this hand. I'm just pushing this forward, just like that, out from underneath. Fun little pocket prank you can try out this Halloween on trick-or-treaters. Someone's got their drink at a Halloween party, just casually walk by. Ugh. When kids come to your door on Halloween, give them a trick and a treat. The first thing you're going to need to set up this funny Halloween prank are some fake flies. These are not real flies, they're little plastic flies. You can get these at most Halloween joke shops. Little gag stores will sell these. And then the next thing you're going to need is some putty. This is like sticky tack. You use it to put posters up on the wall. You could also use double-sided tape. And the last thing you'll need is some Halloween candy. Some candy you're gonna use for trick or treat. It's gonna take a little dab of putty like this and stick it on the bottom of your fake fly. And we're gonna stick that right there on our Halloween candy.
The idea is to put this in their bag so when they get home, like these bugs are really on there well with the putty, right? So they're not gonna fall off, except for like that, you hit it really hard. I mean, that just shows how hard it is to fall off, you know what I mean? The likelihood of it still being on that candy when they get home and they open their treats up is a bug and they go, ah, Mom, I'm so scared. Daddy.
You can also use these for a fun drink prank for Halloween. Say you're at a Halloween party and somebody's poured a drink and they leave it unattended. You can just walk by and secretly palm some flies into your hand and slip them into their drink. And when they go take a drink of it, they're gonna get totally freaked out. Take a few of these little guys, you're just gonna palm them in your hand. Just conceal them just like this. So you can turn your hand over and they'll stay in there just like that. And then when you spread your hand out, it will drop the flies into the drink. Ugh. Okay, here is the explanation to the remote control spider and centipede prank. These are just some fun RC creepy crawlers. We got the RC centipede here, very similar to the snake that we showed in our last Halloween video, and you've got the giant RC spider. So as you hit these controls back and forth, it will make them move across the floor, and it's the perfect thing to freak out your friends and family on Halloween, or any time of year. It's just so fun.
Ooh, that's so creepy.
Ugh.
Oh, I'm scared.
Okay. Oh, sorry. He goes grumpy when he's hungry.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it as well. And be sure to check out Dennis's new kids show. It's called Piley Pals. There's a link in the description.
Yeah, I created a kids show for my son, and the name is Piley Pals. P-I-L-Y. He has a little antenna named Beaks. That's his artificial intelligence to help him learn about this big new world he's in. I made it for my son. It's a puppet show. I have people like Roman Atwood, Taras Kulikov, the crazy Russian hacker, and Magic Murray, so many more. Evan Era is going to be dropping an episode 2 about how to magic for kids. Hopefully your kids will like it too. If you're a big brother, big sister, show your little ones, and I appreciate all the support.
Be sure to check out the link below in the description of this video to see the video that Dennis and I did together about magic for the Piley Show.
What's the meaning of magic?
Be sure to subscribe to his channel, show it some love, and until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Happy Halloween, guys. Alright, what's up guys? I just wanted to hop on here and talk to you for a minute before this video ends. So we're getting really close to 2 million subscribers on this channel, which is crazy. Thank you to everyone who currently subscribes. If you're new to the channel or if you just watch the channel and you don't have a YouTube account, please just take a moment and create one and subscribe to the channel. We're so close to that 2 million. Take a second, share your favorite video of ours on Facebook or Twitter, or Instagram story or Snapchat, whatever you want to do. We really appreciate it. Thank you. You want to say anything, Eve?
No.
If you like the show, help the channel grow. Thank you for helping spread the magic all over the world. And by doing that, you are automatically a part of our magic family. So welcome. Also to anybody who has a Facebook account, we started a secret Facebook group. There's a link for that in the description below. You can go join the group, become a member. You can ask me questions. You can post videos of your own tricks, get feedback from the community. It's really cool. Check out the link down below, Facebook group. Be sure to subscribe to the channel with your notifications turned on. And check out Dennis's new show, Piley Pals. There's a link for that in the description. Ava loves Piley too. Camera's like really shaky. We've got it balanced on a bunch of books right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please take a second, share it. It really does help. Till next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.